friend of mine, Mike, challenged me to draw a bird. He sent this picture that he snapped. It's pretty blurry, but I'm taking the challenge anyway. First thing you gotta have is some coffee. I put the bird up on the screen of my television, and I used it as a reference. Drew everything out in pencil first, and then pretty quickly went straight into watercolor. I started doing wet on wet watercolor, but then I decided that doing a little bit dry. By the way, I'm using brand new Grumbacher's, and that was good. So. All right, that's it. If you liked it, please click like down below. If you really liked it, please subscribe to my website. I hope to do some more like this. Um, don't forget to share. You can also find me at other places like Twitter and Instagram down below. And if you have any other suggestions for me, please share them in the comments down below. And thanks for watching.